Hey y'all, welcome back to John Boat Rescue. Today is day 2 of the 17-foot tracker teardown. Pretty much got the thing gutted. Bunch of stuff up under the bow that I bet they didn't even know they had. Like right over there, you can hardly tell it's a ram mount. Anyway. All right, got all the floor out, live well out, all the batteries are out. Don't have none of the screws out though. They are, well, focus. They're everywhere. You can see them running across the ribs there. Those will be fun getting out. Pretty much had to cut the heads off the screws and just pry everything out. But all that waterlogged, soaked wood is out of here. So now I gotta do something with this spaghetti, this mess of wire that's everywhere. Get rid of all that junk. It's gonna get brand new wire. The wire going to the front trolling motor is probably good enough, but probably going to change it out anyway. So that's where we are today. Just want to give a quick update. Gonna try to knock it off the trailer tomorrow. Pressure wash the inside, flip it upside down. Try to get all this vegetative growth off the bottom. Like I said, if this thing had been sitting in salt water, that would be barnacles. So anyway, get it all stripped down to nothing. See what we're actually working with. And then put it back on the trailer, bring it back in, and start framing the rear deck. And the original framing in the boat, I guess, is good enough, or it was for all these years. That's the way Bass Tracker does it. But I don't know, I'll probably try to shore that up a little bit. But anyway, that's where we are today. And as always, thanks to all our loyal fans and followers. We really appreciate y'all very much. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thanks.